G'day guys and girls, welcome back for another review. First review of the episodes. I don't know. My name's Kieran French and I have been doing full driving, content creating for a little bit now. Along with that, I've actually been using some of these products that you can probably see in front of me, and they come with me all the time. So I thought, why not give you guys a little review on why I use them, why they might be useful to you. Price, value, size, pros and cons, all that kind of fun stuff, and get you understanding why I have them on my trips. In front of me is the KickAss torches. They come in a single and a value pack. I bought mine in a value pack and a second one. So very much thank you to KickAss for supporting me with this video. I really appreciate it. And along with this, we'll go into the head torch and why I needed that, why it might be useful to you, and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna try and do a step-by-step and why I use them, the functions and all that kind of stuff. It's super hard. This is the first time I've done a review. I've done a couple before, but nothing like this. This is my setup. Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna try and keep it like this for a while. It's a bit awkward because I'm trying to figure out where to sit, how to sit. I don't know. Not working. I don't know, whatever. This is how I'm going to sit. So, in front of me are 3 torches. These are the KickAss value pack plus an extra one. I needed how it's useful to me, how it might be useful to you. Not entirely sure. I don't know. Might not be, might be. Got some pretty cool things, I think. So, first up, in the box, it will come with... Let me drop a lot. It comes with the KickAss torch itself. This is the value pack, so it will come with 2 torches, a small and a large. I definitely think the small is the best because obviously the size of it you can put in your pocket, and then your large is quite big. That's what she said. Along with that comes with a lanyard or strap, whatever you want to call it, and a USB-C to USB charger. This is my fan. His name's Spike. He'll be with me all the time, so if you do see him jump up and watch me do whatever, you'll be here all the time. These are the 2 torches. We'll put this one aside. Along with this one is a head torch. I haven't opened this one up yet. It's got all the ratings on the back, so I might be able to read and look at the same time. But we'll go into this one first, then the head torch. First small one we've got, function is light itself. We got, hopefully the Spike doesn't get it. We got torch. We got soft light, medium light. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. The biggest light. I don't know. We have a light for mosquitoes. You have your red light, saying again, shouldn't affect your visibility, but same with animals again. Same with blue. You have your SOS, which is probably not the best colors to be using, but anyway. And then obviously off. Along with this, you unscrew one end, which is where you charge it, as these are rechargeable. There you go. And the end is your USB and USB-C, so you can actually use this as a charger bank for your phone, camera, whatever it can be at that time. So that's pretty handy, and that's why I actually use them a lot, because of that quick charging port they've got in the end. Along with this, same with the large one, KickAss logo on the top. It is a plastic center with durable material on the side, and it is a rubber material on the side. Lanyard again, USB-C to USB on the end. It is 800 lumens. I would say for a torch, it's pretty bright. You can obviously get a lot brighter, but hey, for what I'm using, this is what I need. For the specs itself, there's some pretty cool specs you can go dive into. I thought I'll just rattle them off. Why is it raining? For the torch, the front one, oh, Spike, don't. For the front one, the torch, it is 22 hours you can run that on. It is 16 hours on the SOS, so the flashing blue and red. You got 40 hours on the soft, so torch soft. You got normal. This goes to 23 hours. You got strong. This goes for 12 hours. Well, that's quite bright, like really. I've been using these for my video shoots, and also the other colors and stuff like that. Pretty much normally about 13 hours for the mosquito lights or lights in general. Hi bud. That's a quick one. Obviously a power bank. This is really the reason why I use it a lot. It's so simple. When I'm in the swag and I need to charge my phone, this is always coming with me. Flip it over, you can probably just see these on the top here. These are magnets, so you can clip them. Magnet, so that's a really good one. A good handy feature, as I actually used these to work on a car the other week. The torch actually is a range of 100 meters, thereabouts. It's a torch, what do you expect? They can be good and bad sometimes, obviously with the power, and if they're fully charged. Large one, we'll go into size, that's what she said. Size is 292 millimeters, so that's length, girthiness. Fine. 34mm length, width, whatever you want to call it. So they are quite long. How do I keep turning this on? Sorry, Spike. So they are quite long for the biggest one. The smallest one is 164mm long, so pretty short. You can see the difference, pretty much half of it. This is why I go for the smaller one. In saying that, for if you have a swag and they normally have the hoops underneath the swag when you're inside the swag, this long one actually fits in between the hoops and you can have your light on while you're in there. So it gives you some kind of ambient light while you're in your swag or tent. He just likes lights. He's just fascinated with lights. I'll give you a quick reasoning why I actually bought them. Oh man, this chair's annoying me. Quick reasoning why I bought them. I was actually away my last trip. Nah, we don't have any food here. So my last trip I went to South Australia and I met my friend Thomas, and he actually gave me one of these, the smallest one, and was like, hey, do you need to charge your phone? And I did. Normally I leave my phone in the back of my car because I'm not really fussed. Normally the car's pretty much locked up. I could have the phone with me and we had reception, so it was charging my phone at night, and that was a big eye opener for me because for one, it was a torch. It was actually something useful, but for both practicality and then obviously its usage for other functions. So I was really happy that I was able to charge my phone while I could actually see something at night. So that's why I actually bought it, and I bought the dual pack because I wasn't too sure if I would need both. I've been using both a lot. For me, and what I do a lot of forward driving and adventuring. As you can see behind me, I'm in my shed and I do a lot of fabrication, welding, designing, all that kind of fun stuff. And sometimes you just can't see. With the magnets, I bet they are a big game changer because they are so small, circular. You can pretty much fit them anywhere in the engine bay. Produce a pretty good white light on the highest setting. As you can see, Spike likes the light. The next one was I use them as a blue or a red when I'm doing my long exposure shoots at night time, and because of the size of them. They're just so easy to use. There is a pro and a con to each and everything that I buy. Right now the pro is you can use it as a light and obviously charge at the same time. That's why I use it and take them. The next one, the downside, is the magnets are strong but not strong enough to hold themselves in a weird angle position. They're just magnets. They're meant for quick, easy use. So that's the only downside right now that I feel that is lacking on this one. I do wish the magnets or these ends were, you can move them, rotate them, because then you can get the angle of the dangle. As I said previously in a video, I'd be able to see a little bit better underneath or above or whatever I'm doing at that time trying to fix the car, because that's normally what the case is. They're my pros and cons, and that's pretty much quick overhaul on that one. Why I use them, they might be very useful to you. They are a torch in the end. So as for price, the largest one comes in at $49, the smallest one comes at $25, so that's how much it is, and a head torch comes in at $24.95. As for the value packs of the two of them together, $69. That's how much it comes in at, and all packed and ready for you to go away. And they were pretty charged when I got them last time. Probably put them on charge before you go away, get that charge happening. You'd be all set for your weekend away. Diving into the next one, we're going to move these aside. Spike's going to keep looking at them and have fun with that, mate. We have our KickAss head torch. I actually did need a head torch when we went away for our last trip, but where I wasn't able to, and I needed some, you know, some light exactly where I was looking. And a head torch was one of them, so KickAss have kindly donated this one for a rechargeable head torch. Yeah, USB charging, it is 200 lumens, so a little bit less than these. It's still super bright when you flash them in your own eyes. It's going to be running time up to 12 hours. I don't think I'll be using this for 12 hours, but hey, someone might. Beam is up to 100 meters. That is give or say what's going on for that time, and obviously if it's got enough charge in it. We're going to open this one up. Woo! So in the packaging itself, we have got a message, has your QR codes, it tells you a little bit like what's on offer at the moment for KickAss. You have your head torch itself, so it fits my fat head, probably not. There you go, it's a bit of one, nice. I can actually see what I'm doing. So it has two functions in that one. We have the torch, and then we have, actually quite bright, don't look at it, your light bar light. Inside the little red button is a power button and obviously your charger, and that is a USB something. Then you have your USB to charging port. That's what comes in. So yeah, that's the disco pack. Then obviously you have your singles as well. Spike really thinks it's a chew toy. Not a chew toy. Please leave it alone. Mine. Magnets on the back so you can see. Obviously clip it wherever you need. That's that. Torch. Well, I just showed you that one, and this will be useful for me when I do my camp out cooking experiences with the boys and girls and dog. They're definitely worth having. I was you and you are looking for a decent high quality torch try and jump online. I'm pretty sure the link is in the description below. If you don't have a good, decent torch, go get yourself a gas torch and a head torch. So yeah, that's my unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed Spike jumping on my brand new toolbox. He doesn't understand the word down. I will be using these pretty soon. We're doing a trip in the next couple of weeks. I think we are going to the Grampians. Unsure about that one. We'll soon find out in the next couple of weeks. That is for me for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. Is there anything else that I did miss out? Please get down, you bugger. Hopefully not. Leave a comment in the comment below. Oh, I don't know how this works. Leave a comment below, you know. Smash a like if you really enjoyed me talking shit. I'm going to be doing more fun reviews like this in the next coming months. These are pretty much raw, interesting, informational reviews instead of the old, what was the word someone did say to me? Scripted, well thought out reviews. It's just me, guy behind a toolbox, talking about stuff, you know, things that I own and I use every day for my camping, my adventures, my whatever. That's it. This is my review. Hope you enjoyed that one. Until next time, guys, try to remember to be safe. Until then, Spike and I will see you in the next one.